there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys a fun little video. This is a bit of a different video than I normally film, but I guess you could consider it a thrift haul because everything that I will be showing you is thrifted, but it is thrifted for a specific reason. This is a sort of thrift your Christmas gift list, if that makes sense. So I was chatting with Heather from Plus One Thrifting about I forget how it came up, but something about thrifting gifts and how we think it's an awesome idea and that more people should do it. And sometimes there's a bit of a taboo against gifting secondhand, but I can't see why it would be a bad thing, really. There are so many things already made in this world that can be given some love again. And so I'm a firm believer of gifting thrift or thrifting gifts. Anyway, this is a collaboration. It's an open collaboration actually. So hopefully other people will be participating. I'm not really sure on who will be, but I do know that Heather will be participating with me. We're co-hosting this collaboration. So there will be a playlist that I will add people's videos to, so if you did participate, let me know, and I can't wait to watch Heather's video as well. So yeah, be sure to check out Heather's video after my video if you haven't already. So let me just hop right in. So the idea here is to, you know, it's the Christmas coming up, or holiday season coming up. We're going to be gifting lots to friends and family, and we like the idea of saving money, but giving personalized gifts, but also saving the environment a little bit at the same time if we can. So I have a couple of ideas here. We wanted you guys to show us a gift for kids, a gift for adults, maybe a gift for teens, that sort of thing. So I'm just going to hop right in right now and start with a gift that you could give anyone, really. Maybe a teen, maybe an adult. And I thrift these types of jars all the time. So they're a vintage jar. I call it the bubble jar. They're an apothecary type style jar where you can open them up. They are sealed, and you can put stuff inside. So I think these look great in a bathroom. So the idea behind this one here, these are made in Belgium more often than not. The idea behind this bottle here is that you could gift this to somebody by putting like homemade bath salts, like add some essential oils to it or something like that, and make it sort of a nice scent, tie a little ribbon around it, maybe put a little recipe card with it on how to use it in the bath, that sort of thing. So that would make a really nice idea for anyone there. So a little gift idea number one, using these apothecary style jars. Gift number two is actually a gift that I'm giving to my sister, so hopefully she's not watching this. But I found a mug with her initial on it. So her name is Catherine, starts with a K, and it had the little taggy thing on here. There's a train going by, so hopefully you guys don't hear it, but if you hear it, there's a train going by. So it is a little mug here I got at the thrift store, and inside it actually has one of these little, she drinks tea, so it has one of these little, you know, you put your tea in there and you're boiling water and it steeps in there, and then you can take it out and drink your tea. So it has one of those on there, and it also has like a little lid on there like that. And I probably paid, I don't know how much I paid for this because I got it a little while ago, but I'm guessing I probably paid $2 or under for this thing here. So, you know, you could gift it like this just on its own, but even better is you could go to, you know, a local tea shop or something like that, a coffee shop that has tea, and gift it with some tea as well. So sometimes it's nice to use your, you know, thrifted gifts along with something that might be new, just to sort of, you know, jazz it up a little bit. That's, you know, up to you, but I thought that would be a good idea for my sister specifically. Next, I will jump right into another mug. I got a a lot of mugs because I think they're sort of universal, but I thought this would be good for maybe a teen or something like this. I found this Reese peanut butter cup mug. It was 59 cents at the thrift store. And obviously if you are thrifting for a gift, you really want to make sure that the condition of the item that you're buying is like top notch. So I looked this thing over, there's no chips, no cracks whatsoever. And I thought it would be a good idea to, you know, put in some, you could fill it with that cellophane stuff and then drop in some of those, they have Reese peanut butter cup, you know, seasonal items or whatever, so they might have like a little Santa that's a peanut butter cup or something like that. You could put it in, tie a little bow around it, and that's your little gift for a teen that you know, you could gift it with something else, or just someone that you may not know that well, but you want to give a gift to. So that's an idea right there for that mug. And then I'll move into some clothing. So at the thrift store, you can find quite often, not quite often, but often enough, clothing that is new with tags. So I found this beautiful pair of khaki pants, new with tags. They're Jack and Jones pants, and they're these ones here. They're obviously in excellent condition because they've never been worn. They're super soft. They come with the tag, so you can leave this tag on when you gift it, but then take off, obviously, the thrift store tag, and then just sort of fold them up, put them in a box with tissue paper, and you know, the person that you're gifting has a nice new pair of pants. So these originally were, let's see, how much were they originally? They were originally $70. Pretty expensive pair of pants. I'm so used to shopping at the thrift store that real prices, like real clothing prices, kind of shock me sometimes. So anyway, they were originally $70. These were marked down to $28, but then they didn't get sold. But then at the thrift store, they were $9.99. But I got them when they were 40% off. So I paid $6 for this pair of $70 pants. So I think that was a pretty good deal, and I think that would make a pretty good gift for someone in your life. Now, moving right along, should we move along to, oh, I have another mug here just because it's kind of fun. So you can find really neat mugs at the thrift store, and this one is a really neat mug. So if you have someone who likes something specifically or really into something, then you can find a mug that represents that thing. So I thought this would be good for someone who sorry, it's blurry, there we go, for someone who likes England, who's traveled to England, or my son really likes the Beatles, so I thought this would be a good mug for him because he likes the Beatles, and sort of the fact that they are from England I thought he would like. So anyway, I thought that that was a really cute mug. It's got really cute shape. It is in excellent condition, so I bought that there for a gift. And you could put something in there, maybe, what could we put in there that's Beatles? I don't know, maybe more sort of British or United Kingdom inspired things inside, just as a little gift. Everybody loves, you know, chocolate or candy, so you might be able to, we have a local candy store in town that sells candy from sort of like all over the world. It's a specialty candy shop, so, you know, maybe find something that you can't find necessarily in Canada or in North America. Find a little candy that you can only find in the United Kingdom, or that sells most frequently in the United Kingdom, and put it in there. Just a little idea. So that is that mug there. I think I paid 59 cents or maybe 99 cents for that one. So that is that. Now, moving along to someone who shaves, whoever that may be in your life. I found this vintage little shaving mug here, and I want to say it's Old Spice, but it doesn't say Old Spice on it. Oh yeah, it does. On the bottom it does say Old Spice. So that's pretty cool, but it's got this really neat imagery on it, sort of like classic classic imagery there. I thought that was really cool. It's like a milk glass container, like little mug. You can buy little pucks to like fit in there. So there is one off the top of my head I can think of, that local company that sells little shaving pucks. So you could put a brand new shaving puck in there and give that as a gift to someone, or a little stocking stuffer or something like that. So this mug was $2.49, but it was when the red tag was 50% off, or it was the red tag 75% off. I can't remember, but anyway, it was cheaper than $2.49, and I think that would make a really nice gift. So that's that. Then we can move on to kids gifts. So sometimes when kids are a little younger, it's easier to thrift gifts for them because they're not sort of like wanting the newest, latest and greatest things. But these gifts here are classic gifts that you can gift to sort of younger children. And the best thing I think is finding like wooden toys at the thrift store. So this little mouse here I thought was adorable. So this was in a little grab bag at Value Village. So I paid probably, I don't know, ended up maybe paying 50 cents for it, something like that. So this just like sits on your shelf, and I just think it's really quite adorable. You know, it's wood, so it's relatively hard to break. So kids could play with this, but it is like a little shelf sitter. So, you know, you could gift that to someone who's quite young, but I think that makes it like an adorable little add-on to a gift. And then my favorite thing to thrift at the thrift store for kids is these animals here. So my kids are 6 years old and 8 years old. They still play with these animals, and I've shared them on my channel before, but they are the Schleich Animals, or there are some brands that are comparable, but usually I like finding the Schleich brand animals, and they are these hard plastic animals here. And they are the most wonderful open-ended toy. And so you can play these with other toys, like you can play them with Playmobil, or you can play them with Legos, or you can play them with other toys, but they can be kind of pricey new. So finding them at the thrift store is really great, especially if you can find them like in a whole bag, like a grab bag or something like that. I'm always looking at the grab bags. Because you can get like a whole bag like this in a bag for $3.99 or something like that. And there are ones that aren't as good, like you can tell they're from the dollar store, and you can usually tell because there's a seam around some part of the animal's body. But if they're you know, seamless throughout and they have the Schleich logo on there, you're really good to go. So these are my favorite thing to find for kids at the thrift store, because my kids have been playing with these toys for like years and years and years, and so your money goes a long way. So, you know, wrap these up in a cute little bag and maybe gift it with a little book about animals or something like that. That's another thing you can find at the thrift store, is books, as long as they're in great condition. That makes a good little gift for kids. Now I'm going to share one last thing, and it is a gift that I was gifted from a online friend. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this, but I just thought I would share it here because this is like the perfect way to gift secondhand or thrift. And it is this little gift here that I received. So it is this vintage like little makeup bag or little purse, and the card and just like various things that fit the color scheme were tucked inside the front pocket. And then if you open it up, there are little goodies inside. So I've already opened this, so unfortunately the tissue paper doesn't look quite as nice as it once did. This cute little pink polka dot wrapping paper, and the first thing was this beautiful little deer planter. I thought that was so cute. So that would be good as a gift on its own as well. Like you put a little plant in there for someone, that makes an excellent gift. So planters with real live plants make a great gift. And then the next thing is, of course, I love a good mug, and she gifted me this mug as well. So when I say she, I am talking about Susan. And I have been online friends with Susan for quite a while. She's followed me on YouTube, and she actually has a new Etsy shop that I'll share with you guys, because she gifted me this and she definitely did not have to. And so I want to share with you guys. This is her Etsy shop here. And I just think this picture is so cute. So she had written me a little note, said congrats on 25,000 subscribers and stuff like that. So anyway, that right there is like the perfect way to gift a thrifted item or a secondhand item or something like that. So there you have it, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to go check out Heather's video if you haven't already. And if you aren't subscribed to Heather's channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you aren't subscribed to this channel, make sure that you subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.